First T code to clear this error, /n OM X2, enter. Here select new entry, enter the material type which we created, QA RH, and then QA LB, and then QA RT. Here we need to select the name of the material type, raw material type. Semi-finished material type. Finished material type. So after that, save the data. So in step number 2, enter the T code /n OM X3, enter. Here we need to select new entries, enter the valuation area. We have 2 plant. The valuation area is nothing but plant, QP01. After that, the second plant, QP02. Here enter the material ledger type, standard 9000. So this is the material ledgers type, SAP standard variant. Enter, save the data. So system will generate company code automatically. The next T code we need to enter, /n OM X1. Here we need to select position. To find out our valuation area is nothing but plant. Here enter plant variant QP01. So this is both the plant QP01, QP02. We are going to activate material ledger. Material ledger activate. And then price determination. We need to select 2. Transaction based. 2. Transaction based. After that, save. After activating material ledger, live data must be converted. Okay, continue. Save. Now enter the next T code, /n CKM START. CKM start. Enter. Here we need to enter first plant QP01. After that, first we need to remove the background processing and then execute. So the program completed. Go to back and then back. Remove the test run. Execute. The setup unlocks material in plant. Go back. Go back. Now we need to select second plant. So take the test run. First we need to remove the background processing. Execute. Plant QP02 can be set productive for the material ledger. Go back. Remove the test run also and then execute for the second plant. Setup. Unlock materials in plant. Now the material ledger error procedure completed. We can create the material master now. So the company code Q002 and controlling area have different currencies. So this is one of the error. Now we can see how to solve this error. Go to /n SPRO, enter. Select SAP reference IMG. Here we need to select enterprise structure. Select assignment. Here we need to select controlling. Assign company code to controlling area. So we are copying the company code from 0001. So select our company code, select our controlling area 0001, and then assignment of company codes, select position, enter our company code Q002, select 0, delete the line item. After that, save the data. Enter. Now go to back and then select definition. Under the enter by structure, select controlling, maintain controlling area, execute. So here we need to select maintain controlling area. So new entry. So we need to enter controlling area variant. Before that, we need to see the notification controlling area equal to company code, which means our company code variant we need to give as a controlling area. So I'm going to enter my company code variant Q002 as our controlling area, and then name of our controlling area Q002. Here we need to select under the assignment control controlling area same as company code. Currency type we need to select company code currency 10. After that we need to enter currency INR Indian rupee. So other settings we need to enter chart of accounts INT standard 1, and then fiscal year variant standard 1 V3. So after that, save the data. The next step, go to back, save the data, close the settings, and then under the enterprise structure, select assignment, financial accounting, under the assignment, select controlling, under the controlling, select assign company code to controlling area. So here select position, enter our controlling area Q002, select 0, assignment of company code, and then new entry. Here enter our company code Q002, enter and save the data. So controlling area indicator for controlling area Q002 do not exit. So now we are going to clear this error. To clear this error, we need to use T code /n OKKP, enter. So here we need to select position, enter controlling area Q002, select 0, activate component and controlling indicators. Here we need to select new entry, enter the fiscal year is nothing but financial year 2023, cost center, select component active, and then activity type we need to select order management, select component active. After that, save the data, continue. So critical transport control indicators in controlling area, continue. Now the data was saved. Now we can try to create our purchase order. Select purchase order document type, enter our purchase order, enter our supplier number, enter our purchase organization, purchasing group, company code. Here we need to select our material and then purchase order quantity, delivery date, after that net price, and then currency INR, plant QP01. After that enter our storage location QS01, enter. So this is just a warning message. Save the data. Purchase order created under the number 62000000. Inventory management, the first error. Postings only possible in periods 2023 12 and 2023 11th month in company code 02. So now this is the 12th month December, but here showing that posting would only possible in current month, which means this is not a posting period related error. This is related to our fiscal year variant error. So to solve this error, enter the T code /n OK KP, enter. Here we need to select position, enter our controlling area Q002, and then double click on our controlling area. Here we need to change the fiscal year variant. So we are going to change the fiscal year variant K4. After that cost center hierarchy I am going to enter 1000. After that save the data, yes, and then again yes. Now the data was saved. And then continue. Posting can only be made to GL account 132000 in currency euro. So this is related to our currency error. So I am going to enter the T code /n FS00 to clear this currency related error. Select my company code Q002. Now I am going to select the GL account, which is 13200. So here not available. I am going to select general GL account. Here I am going to select 13200. After that change. Here I am going to control data, change the currency INR, and then select create bank interest, post automatically only, and then save the data, enter. Now the data was saved. Next error, account determination for INT BSX --8888 not possible. To clear this error, we need to enter the T code /n OBYC, enter. Here we need to select transaction BSX, enter the INT. Here we need to create our new entries. So enter the valuation class 8888 and then enter the GL account. So after that save the data. So this GL account not related with our BSX. I am going to select another GL account and then save the data. The next error, account determination for entry INT WRX not possible. INT WRX not possible. Go to transaction code OBYC, enter. Here we need to select WRX, the transaction. So here we need to select the transaction code WRX and then ensure the chart of accounts INT, continue. So here we need to enter our valuation grouping code. So enter the valuation grouping code 0001 and then enter the GL account, credit and debit. So now we need to remove the account and then enter the GL account, save the data. So the next error, account determination for entry INT GBB dash VBR 8888 not possible. So now we can solve this error. Close this error. Enter the T code /n OBYC. Enter. Select the transaction GBB. Double click. Here we need to enter the chart of accounts INT standard variant. Now here we need to select new entries. Here we need to enter the general modification VBR and then valuation class 888. After that GL account, save the data. Account determination for entry INT GBP, inventory INV 8888 not possible. So we need to clear this error. For that enter the /n OBYC T code and then go to GBB transaction. Double click on GBB. Verify the chart of accounts INT. So here we need to new entry, enter INV under our general modification and then valuation class 8888 and then the GL account 2,100,000 for debit and credit. Save the data. While creating the vendor, I am getting this error, ABAP runtime error. We need to check the vendor master configuration. Go to /n SPRO, enter SAP reference IMG, financial accounting, accounts receivable and accounts payable, supplier accounts, then go to master data, preparations for creating supplier master data, then define account group with screen layout vendor, execute. So here we need to select our account group, select position SABA, then continue. So SAB1, this is our account group. Our account group is active. Then go to back. Step number 2, we need to check assign number ranges to vendor account group, execute, select position, enter our account group SAB1, then continue. So here the number ranges not assigned with our vendor account group, so that is the reason we are getting the error. So go to back. First we need to ensure the number ranges which we created. Create number range for vendor accounts, execute, change interval. So we need to check our number range number. So this is our number range number 27 from number 5003012 to 500401. Go to back, then go to assign number range to vendor account groups, select position, enter the variant SAV1. So here I am going to enter the number range number 27, save the data and then continue. Now the data was saved. We can go to /nbp vendor master creation, enter, select organization. So here we need to select our grouping, number range grouping SA02. Then we need to select create in BP role. We need to select our business partner role. BP role vendor SA02, then select create title company, then enter the name vendor for SA02, scroll down, enter the address, postal code, city Chennai, then enter the country India, then enter the region. Region is nothing but state, so I am going to select our state Tamil Nadu 33, then scroll down, select the language English, the remaining field are optional. So now we can go to select company code. So the postal code 6,01,000 in country IN does not exist. Shall we accept the address? Yes, we can accept the address. Yes. So here we need to enter our company code SA02. Enter. Select reconciliation GL account 31000. Then go to select purchasing. Under the purchasing view, we need to select our purchase organization SPPO. Then enter. So under the order currency, we need to enter INR. Then save the data. So now the business partner 500314 created. Go to company code. So our business partner with vendor has been created. Now the error was cleared. So we are getting the error due to the number range not assigned with our vendor account group. So now the error has been cleared. Thank you. So we need to check our pricing procedure. So for that, select analysis. Here we need to see our pricing procedure RM0000, the condition type not available. So we need to clear this error. SPRO SAP reference IMG materials management purchasing. Here we need to select conditions, then define condition, define pricing determination process. First we need to maintain condition tables, execute. So here we need to create condition tables. Here we need to enter the new table number. So SAP system maintained 1 to 500 table number. So we need to choose 500 to 999 in between any number. So I am going to choose 600 and then enter. Here we need to select the field category. So first I am going to select my plant. Double click, the plant will come here. So next we need to select vendor in SAP system available in the name of supplier. So after that we need to select material, then generate. So table 360 is already defined with the same fields. So this is just a warning message. OK, and then save. We need to select OK, the warning message, and then we need to select yes. So assign a package. Select local object. System will assign the package automatically. Now the table A600 has been saved. Now our table condition table has been created. Step number 2, define access sequence for purchasing. Execute. The table is cross client. OK, continue. Select new entry. Enter access sequence 4-digit variant. Description access sequence for purchase order, and then enter our company code. Save the data. So this is just a warning message. Enter. Now the data was saved. Select the row. Double click on accesses. Here we need to select new entries, enter the number, access number, and then table number 600 which we created, enter. Development class of condition table A600 is local. Okay, continue. So this is just a warning message, enter. Now the table has been selected. Select the row, double click on fields, just warning message, enter once again, enter. So this is the field plant supplier material, release status, processing status, system will generate automatically. Now we can save the access sequence. Go to back, save once again, data was saved. Third step, define condition types. Select define condition type, execute. Here we need to select set pricing condition types, purchasing. So we can select from standard variant, PB 00. So cross price, this is a standard variant. So select the row, copy as, and then here we can change the description and then variant Q PB0, and then here we need to select our access sequence which we created now. QA is 0. So after that, save the data, enter and save the data. In our pricing condition, we need to mention condition class, prices, calculation type, quantity, condition category, basic price, and then group condition we need to select. Then change which can be made manual entries, no limitations. So this is very carefully we need to enter. If we select limitations, so we can post manually, we can change the price manually or system will calculate automatically. Both the options available. So once we select automatically entry as priority, system will generate automatically. Manual entry as priority, we need to enter manually. Not possible to process manually. If we select not possible to process manually, we cannot change the price in our purchase order manually. So we always keep it as a no limitations. And then select item condition, amount percent, quantity, valuation, quantity relation, value. After that, we need to mention the pricing procedure. So once we create the pricing procedure, after that we can maintain here. So the validity, the today's date, and then validity maximum date is, we can keep it as a maximum system maximum data. So after that, save once again, go to back. Fourth step, we need to create condition records. For that, enter the T code /n MEK1, enter, create condition records. We need to select condition type. So here we can select key combination, the plant supplier material, continue. So this is our plant, this is our supplier. I'm going to select my material. For example, this material, and then amount, currency INR, per product, unit of measure EA. So after that, enter and save the data. Condition record saved. So the next step, set calculation schema for purchasing. Execute. So here we need to create new pricing procedure for our company code. So select new entry. Here enter the new pricing procedure. So I am going to enter QPP00 pricing procedure Q002. Then enter, select the row, double click on control data. Here we need to select new entries. Step number 1, 01, 01. So this is condition type which we created already. We need to select. So this is our condition type QPB0. Double click on this, and then from we need to enter 10. Then select subtotal as a 9, and then requirement as a 5. What is meant by subtotal? Copy values to KOMP BRTWR price value. So this is our table name, and then requirement 5, no condition exclusion. Save the data, enter. Now the data has been saved. Enter print type X, printing at item level, old logic. After that, save the data, go to back. Now our pricing procedure has been created. Step number 6, define schema groups. Execute. First one, we need to select define schema group for supplier. New entry. Enter 2-digit variant. Enter the description. Save the data. Go to back. So step number 2, define schema groups for purchasing organizations. New entry. Enter 2-digit variant. Schema group for purchase organization. Description, and then enter company code for our reference. Save the data. Go to back. Step number 3, assign schema group to purchase organization. Execute. Select position, enter our purchase organization QPSO. Against our purchase organization, we need to assign our schema group which we created now. Q2, and then save the data. Now we have completed 3 steps. Go to back. Define schema determination. Next topic, execute. So define calculation schema for standard purchase orders. Execute. New entry. Enter the schema group for purchase organization. And then select our schema group for supplier. Here we need to select our pricing procedure QPP00. Enter and save the data. Go to back. So the next step, assign partner schema to supplier /n BP T code. So here we need to select supplier number and then search supplier number based on our company code. We can find out. Enter. Double click on our supplier number. Here we need to select our change BP role, vendor Q002. Here we need to select purchasing view. Under the purchasing view, select purchasing data. Here we need to enter our schema group for supplier. Our variant we need to select, which is already created Q1 schema group for supplier. After that, save the data. After saving the data, now we can create purchase order /NME21N. Select our document type. Select our supplier. Select our purchase organization, purchasing group, company code. Here enter our material, PO quantity, delivery date, net price, currency, and then plant, storage location. After that, enter. So now system will take material price as 100. So now we can select conditions. See here, our condition type QPP00, cross price Q002, amount 100. So we are giving purchase order quantity 500 numbers into multiplication 100 rupees, overall value 50,000 rupees for our purchase order value. System will take automatically the cross price based on our pricing procedure configuration. Now we can save the purchase order. Purchase order has been created. So while creating the request for quotation, so we are getting the error, internal number assignment not defined. Please enter the number. Go to help. So the diagnosis, system cannot assign a number because internal number assignment has not been defined in this case. Enter a number that lies within the valid number range for the document. So system they is saying that, so we are getting the error due to the number range not assigned with our RFQ document type. So now we can go to solve this error. /n SPRO, enter SAP reference IMG, select materials management and purchasing. Under the purchasing we need to select request for quotation. First we need to go define document type for RFQ and quotations, execute. Our RFQ document variant AN, so go to right side. So here the number range for internal and external not assigned, so we need to assign the number range. Go to back, define number range for purchasing documents, execute, change interval. So here we need to verify the document. So the document number range number 60 we can assign with our RFQ document AN. Go to back, define document type for RFQ and quotations, execute. So against our document type AN, I am going to enter the number range number 60, then save the data, continue. So now we can go to /NME41, request for quotation document creation screen, enter. So enter RFQ type AN, RFQ date, then the quotation deadline date, enter the purchase organization, purchasing group, plant and storage location, then enter. So now we can enter the collection number 50 and 1, enter. So here we need to select our material. Enter the material number 3603, then enter the RFQ quantity 100, then select delivery date. So we need to enter the delivery date over than the quotation deadline date, then save the document. So we need to enter the supplier address. Go to select supplier address, select the supplier, enter, save the data, yes. Now the RFQ created under the number 600000001. So now the error has been cleared. Thank you. While creating the purchasing info record, we are getting the error not possible to determine a condition type for the price. Go to help. So the diagnosis, when it attempted to generate the time dependent conditions for the price you entered, the system was unable to determine a condition type. Price determination is therefore not possible. Procedure: contact your system administrator so the latter can maintain the calculation schema assigned to the purchasing document using the implementation guide IMG. So we need to check the pricing procedure. That's what the message says. So now we can go to check our pricing procedure. So go to parallel screen, /n SPRO, enter SAP reference IMG, materials management, purchasing. Under the purchasings, we need to select conditions, define price determination process. So here we need to check set calculation schema for purchasing. We need to select our pricing procedure, SAPP, enter, select the row, double click on control data. So here our condition type SA00 available. So go to back, select define schema group, double click on assign schema group to purchase organization, select position, enter our purchase organization SPPO, continue. So now the schema group for purchase organization S7 assigned with our purchase organization. Now define schema group for purchase organization. So here the variant is S7. Then go to back, define schema group for supplier. So here also we need to verify the schema group for supplier S5. Then go to back, define schema determination, define calculation schema for standard purchase order, double click, select position, enter our purchasing schema group S5 and S7 and schema group for supplier S5, then continue. So now the schema group for purchase organization, schema group for supplier with our pricing procedure SAPP assigned. Go to back, define condition type. The next step we need to select define condition type, set pricing condition type purchasing, double click, select position, enter the condition type SA00, then continue, double click on our condition type. So here the access sequence SWAS, then the condition class, price, calculation type, quantity, condition category, basic price. So the pricing procedure also SAPP assigned with our condition type. So manual entries, no limitations, item condition selected, amount percentage, quantity relation, value, and group condition also selected. So here there is no need to change anything. Go to back, double click on define access sequence for purchasing, continue, select our access sequence SAAS, enter, select the row, double click on accesses. So here the table number 550 plant supplier material, created. So go to back and open one more screen. So here I am going to enter the condition record T code /n MEK1. So now we are going to verify the condition record. Enter condition record SA00. Then go to change. Execute. No condition records exist for this selection. So now we need to create the condition record. Select our plant SP01, supplier vendor 3 500303. Select our material bolt 3603. Then enter the amount 100, unit INR Indian rupee, then per product 100 rupees. Then enter the unit of measure EA. Enter. So I am going to change the validity from date February 1 to validity 2. I am not changing anything. Keep it as system maximum date. Then save the condition record. Now the condition record was saved. So we can go to purchasing info record screen /n ME11. Enter. So here we need to select our supplier vendor 3 500303. Select our material bolt 3603. Enter our purchase organization SPPO, plant SP01, info category standard. Then enter. So supplier reminder data, first reminder 2nd day, second reminder 4th day, third reminder 6th day. Then enter. Enter the plant delivery time 8 days. Then the purchasing group 001. Enter the standard quantity 1000. Net price for this particular material 100 INR. Then save the data. So now the purchasing info record 1142 for the purchase organization SPPO for the plant SP01 created. So now the error has been cleared. So due to not maintaining the condition record for this particular material with the combination of supplier and the plant, parallelly we verifying all the conditions in our pricing procedure also. Thank you. So correct the customizing settings for ledger for the universal general. So actually this is not an error. So we need to get the original error. We need to click this. So the version 0 of CO area Q002 is not assigned to any ledger. This is one of the error. Document splitting is active in company code Q002. Activate profit center accounting in controlling area Q002. So we need to clear this error. So we can clear one by one. Open parallel screen. So the first error we are going to see, document splitting is active in company code Q002, and then activate profit center accounting in controlling area Q002. /n SPRO SAP reference IMG financial accounting general ledger accounting business transactions document splitting, activate document splitting, execute. Here we need to double click on deactivation per company code. Here we need to select position, enter our company code Q002, enter. Here we need to select inactive. After that save the data, continue. Now the data was saved. Another error, the version 0 of CO area Q002 not assigned to any ledger. So go to back, enter the T code /n SPRO SAP reference IMG. Here we need to select financial accounting. Under the financial accounting global settings, ledgers, and then ledgers. So here we need to select integration of controlling with financial accounting. Here we need to select define ledger for CO version, execute. So here enter the new entry, controlling area Q002. After that version 0. So in our error 0 is not available, so I am going to mention the version 0. Here we need to select the ledger 0L, leading ledger. After that enter and then save the data, continue. Now the data was saved. Go to back. So go to parallel screen. Now I am going to post the goods receipt once again. So we are working in parallel screen, so the transactions it will not reflect. So go to /n MIGO once again, enter. Here enter the purchase order, enter, ensure item OK. After that post. Now the material document 4900007030 has been posted. So now we can view the stock through that the T code /n MMBE. Here we need to enter the plant. Before that we need to select the material. So here system will not allow. QP01, select our material and then execute. See here 150 number coming under unrestricted use, which means the stock is ready to use. So under the Q002 test steel company, under the company code, under the plant QP01, under the storage location QS01, we have 150 number of unrestricted stock. So this is about our goods receipt. Now we are going to clear the error one by one. This is the one-time error. Once we cleared, the next time goods receipt transactions, the error won't happen. So the next error, cost, define a cost element category for account 200100 controlling area Q002. So this is the error. To clear this error, enter the T code /n FS00, enter. So here we need to select our company code Q002, enter. Under the general account, first select our GL account 200100. After that select change. Here select control data. Under the control data, select type description. Under the type description, change the GL account type from non-operative expense or income to primary cost or revenue, and then remove the P&L statement account type. After that, select control data. Here now select cost element category. One is for primary cost element. After that, save the data. So make any field PL in the statement account type. Okay. Here enter the P&L statement account type. After that, save the data. This is just warning message. Continue. When I am creating the finished good material, I am getting the error. Internal number assignment is not possible for the material type finished product SA02. Go to open help. So the error message number M3319. So we need to solve this error. Go to /n SPRO, enter SAP reference IMG, logistics general, material master, then select basic settings, material types. So here we need to select define number ranges for each material type, execute. So here we need to select change group, Control plus F to find out our material type. Enter our material type SAR1, find our material type SAR1 and the number ranges not assigned, so we need to assign the number ranges. Control plus F, enter our material type SAR1, continue, double click on our material type, then select assign element to group. So here we need to select our number range. This is our number range number S9. Double click and save the data. Now the changes have been saved. So now we can go to verify the material type with the number range assigned or not. So our material type SAR1 and our number range S9 has been assigned. So now we can go to /n MM01 to create the material. /n MM01 material master creation, enter, select our industry sector, manufacturing SA02, select our material type finished product SA02, then select views. So here we need to select basic data 1, sales organization data 1 and sales organization data 2, sales general plan data, then MRP 123, then general plan data / storage 1, then accounting 1. Select the required field, then select organization levels, select plant SP01, select the storage location SPS1, finished goods SPS4, then select sales organization SASO, then select distribution channel S9, continue, enter the description. Warm mill assembly, then enter the base unit of measure EA, then select material group steel, then enter. Under the sales organization one view, select our division S9, then select delivering plant SP01, then enter the tax code. I am going to enter the 0 tax exemption. Then enter sales organization to view. So here we need to select account assignment group for material 03 finished product. Then select general item category group NORM, item category group also NORM. NORM is nothing but standard variant. Then enter the next view sales general plant. Enter the gross weight 12 kilogram and the net weight 11 kilogram. Select transport group. So here we have so many options: on pallets, in liquid form, container, parcel, bulk product. I am going to select pallet. And the loading group, how we are going to load this material by using the crane, forklift or manual. I am going to select crane 001. Then enter. So system goes to MRP1 view. Under the MRP1 view we need to select MRP type PD, then MRP controller, then select lot sizing procedure, EX, then enter. In MRP2 view select the procurement type. I am going to select in-house production E, then select GR processing time 1 days, in-house production time also 1 days. Then enter. So strategy group we need to enter 10, make to stock production. Then availability check we need to enter 01, daily requirement. Then enter. So already we entered plant and storage location. Then go to enter. In valuation class we need to select 7920 finished product. Then price control yes, standard price. Enter the standard price column, material price 2000 INR. Then save the data. Now the material has been created. So the error solved, material also created. Thank you. So we are getting the error material 336 not maintained in plant QP02. While we are creating the material we are using only one plant and then with their storage location. So now we need to maintain the material master data in our plant QP02. So close this error, enter T-code/n MM01. So here we need to enter the material. So I am going to select my material, enter plant QP01 and then select material. Select industry sector as per our material master configuration, manufacturing, and then select our material type, raw material Q002 we need to select. Here we need to select views. Here we need to select general, plan data, storage 1, accounting 1. This 2 view is enough. And then select organization levels. Here we need to enter the plant QP02 and then the storage location QS04. Raw material storage location under the plant QP02. After that continue. See here the information material already exists and will be extended to our second plant. So next step, enter. Under the accounting one view ensure that our valuation class. So after that scroll down, we need to select our price control. S means standard price and then enter the material price 100 rupees per product. After that, save the data. Now the material created under the plant to QP02. Now we are getting the error material to 0000336 QP01 QS02 does not exist, which means our material master information not available in our second storage location QS02. To clear this error, enter the T code /n MMSC, enter. So here we need to enter material and then plant QP01. List control, we need to ensure list all existing storage locations. After that, enter. Now see here, under this QP01 plant for this material, we have only one storage location QS01. Now I am going to enter the QS02. So after that, save the data, functions carry out. So this is one method. Another one method, we can go to /n MM01 material master, select our material, industry sector, manufacturing Q002, our material type raw material Q002, select views. Here we need to select two views, one is general plant and storage one, accounting one. Select organization level. Here I am going to select the plant QP01 and then the storage location QS03. Enter. See here, the material already exists and will be extended for our storage location QS03. After that, enter. Now the material has been created. So we have two options. We can use MM01 material master to extend the material for particular storage location, or we can use /n T code MMSC. So most of the time we are using /n MMSC T code. Now we can go to transfer the stock one storage location to another storage location. Enter the T code /n MIGO, enter. Here we need to enter the material. After that, enter the plant and then storage location. Here we need to enter the destination QS02. After that, enter the stock 10 numbers and then enter. Now we can save the data. Our material document has been posted to SAP system. Close this error. Enter /n SPRO SAP reference IMG, enterprise structure, definition, controlling, maintain controlling area. Double click on maintain controlling area. So here we need to select new entry and then enter our controlling area for digit variant. So before that, we need to see this message, controlling area equal to company code. So we need to enter our company code as the controlling area and then name of our controlling area, assignment control, controlling area same as company code. Here we need to select company code currency 10. So enter currency INR. After that, chart of accounts INT, fiscal year variant K4. So after that, we need to save the data. So already we created our controlling area, so I am not saving the data. Select position, enter Q002. So this is my controlling area which we created before. So now go to back. Now under the enterprise structure, we need to select assignment and then controlling, assign company code to controlling area. This is the second step. After that, select position, enter the controlling area Q002, enter, select the row, double click on assignment of company codes. Here we need to select new entry. Here we have actually the new entry option. Select new entry, enter our company code and then save the data. So already we assigned our company code to controlling area. So now that is not required. Go to back. And then our step number 3, create cost center hierarchy. So for this, we need to enter the T code /n OKKP, enter, select position, enter the controlling area Q002, enter, double click on controlling area. Here we need to create the cost center hierarchy 1000 standard one. After that, save the data. So already we created our cost center hierarchy. So just continue. So the next step, fourth step, we are going to create the cost center. To create cost center, T code /n KS01, enter. Here system asking controlling area. We need to enter our controlling area Q002. Continue. Here we need to enter the cost center. The cost center variant we are going to enter 476000. So this is a standard variant as the module. We need to enter this standard variant because under the cost center we have so many configurations related to our financial accounting module. So we can use our standard variant, and then validity, I am going to select the date. So I am going to select this month 1, December 1. After that, the 2 period we can keep it as maximum limit 999, or we can enter the 2 period year. After that, enter. Here we need to name the our cost center. So I am going to enter production description, cost center production. After that, person responsible. The person responsible is nothing but who is the owner of this cost center, which means the particular production line or production machine in charge. So that is the person responsible. After that, cost center category. Here we need to select cost center category F for production department. So we can create different cost center for each department. Now we are going to create the cost center for production department. Here we need to select the hierarchy 1000 which we created. After that, currency INR, enter and save the data. Now cost center has been created. Now we are getting the error code, account determination for entry INT GBB VBO 8888 not possible. So we need to clear this error. For that, enter the T code /n OBYC. So INT GBB. The GBB is nothing but transaction offset entry for inventory posting. Here we need to ensure our chart of accounts INT, standard chart of accounts for our company code, and then continue. Here we need to select new entry. After that, here we need to enter VBO valuation class 8888 and then GL account. For this one, I am going to enter 2,100,000. Save the data. So we are getting the next error, account determination for entry INT BSX dash dash 7910 not possible. Go to T code OBYC again and then enter INT BSX not possible. Select the transaction INT and then chart of accounts, select transaction BSX and then chart of accounts INT. Here we need to select new entry, enter the valuation class 7910. After that GL account, save the data. So this GL account related to PRD transaction. So I'm going to change the GL account. So this GL account belongs to AUM transaction. So I'm going to change once again. Save the data. So account determination for entry INT BSV 790 not possible. Go to same T code /NOBYC. Here select BSV transaction type and then chart of accounts INT, new entry. Here enter the valuation class 7910 and then GL account. So I'm going to mention the GL account. Okay, anyway I'm going to select the GL account which is already created. Save the data. So the next step I'm going to verify the currency for this particular GL account. For that /n FS00, because we are copying the entire FICO configuration from our company code, standard company code. The standard company code belongs to currency euro. So we need to change the particular GL account currency euro to INR. For that enter T code /n FS00. Here ensure our company code Q002 and then select our GL account 21100 and then change, select control data. See here we need to change our currency euro to INR. After that create bank interest. Here we need to select post automatically only. Save the data. So this is just a warning message. Continue. The data was saved. While creating the purchase order, I'm getting the error. Account assignment mandatory for material 3603. Enter account assignment category. Go to help. So the message number ME062. So the diagnosis, there is no provision for value based inventory management for this material type in the plant. Account assignment is thus necessary. Procedure, please enter an account assignment category. So this is related to our material type issue. So we need to check the material type. Go to /n SPRO, enter SAP reference IMG, logistics general, material master, basic settings, material types, define attributes of material types, execute, select position, enter our material type SARH, continue. So SARR, this is our material type. Select the row, double click on quantity and value updating. Select position, enter the valuation area SP01. Valuation area is nothing but plant. Continue. So see here, against our plant SP01 and the material type SARR, raw material type, the quantity updating, value updating not selected. Select quantity updating and value updating. Then save the data. Continue. Now the data was saved. So again we need to go /n ME21N to create the purchase order. Enter. Select document type, purchase order SA02. Then select our supplier, enter our company code SA02, select our supplier, then select our purchase organization SPPO, then select purchasing group, steering SR1, enter our company code SA02, then select material, enter our plant SP01, then enter, select the material number, then enter the purchase order quantity 120 numbers, then select delivery date April 2, enter the net price 100 INR, currency INR, then enter the plant SP01, then enter the storage location SPS1. Now enter just a warning message, then save the data, save. So now the purchase order 10209 created. So the error solved, our purchase order also created. Thank you. While configuring the release strategy for purchase requisitions, we are getting the error in classification, class SACL12, class type 032, go to help. So please check the specified class or class type in customizing for the release procedure. So we need to check the class type which we created before step. Go to back, no, close this one, double click on edit class, select last class option. So here we can check. So our class SACL11, PR class SU02. So then select change, go to characteristics. So this is our plant and the document type which we created. So our class SACL11, then go to back, set a procedure with the classification, execute, select release strategy, then select new entries, enter the release group which we created S8, then release strategy S9, then enter the release strategy for purchase requisition, description, then release code we need to select L1, L2, then L3, enter, select release prerequisites, select lawyer diagram L1, L2, L3, continue, select release statuses, just continue, go to classification. So still we are getting the same error. Go to back, double click on release group. So here we need to change the class type SACL11, then save the data. So now go to back, double click on release strategies, select new entries, enter the release group S8 and the release strategy S9, and enter the description release strategy for purchase requisition, then enter the release code L1, L2 and L3, enter. So select release prerequisites, select lower diagonal L1, L2, L3, continue, select release statuses, just continue, then select classification. Now the error has been solved. We can select our plant SP01, then continue, select our document type SAPR, then continue. So now we need to go previous screen or the next screen, then save the data. Now the release strategy configuration has been completed, the error also solved. Thank you. While releasing the purchase requisitions, we are getting the error. Purchase requisition 2000012 not subject to your release strategy. So which means we have some issues in our release strategy configuration for purchase requisition. So we need to check. So go to /n SPRO, enter SAP reference IMG, materials management, purchasing, purchase requisition, release procedure with the classification. So we can create the entire release strategy once again. So under the procedure with the classification, step number 1, edit characteristics, execute. So here we need to enter the 2-digit characteristic, 2-digit variant. So I am going to enter T6, then create, enter the description, PR document type, SA02, company code for reference. Then under the format data type, we need to select character format, number of characters 4. Under the value assignment, we need to select multiple values. Then select additional data, select our table name CEBAN, then the field name BSAT, table name CBAN, then select values, continue, select the values once again. So here we need to enter our document type, PR document type. So we need to check our PR document type. Go to parallel screen, /n SPRO, enter SAP reference IMG, materials management, purchasing. Under the purchasing, we need to select purchase requisitions. So here we need to select define document type for purchase requisitions, execute. So here we need to verify our document type 4-digit variant, SAPR, this is our document type. So now we can go to back, parallel screen. So here I am going to enter SAPR, then the description, PR document type SA02, save the data. Now the characteristics T6 was saved. Then enter the second characteristics T7 for our plant, create. So the description we need to enter plant SA02, select data type, character format, number of characters 4. Then value assignment, under the value assignment we need to select multiple values. Then go to additional data, the table name CBAN and the field name WRKS, select values, continue. So here we need to enter our plant SP01, then the description plant SA02, save the data. Now the characteristics T7 was saved. Go to back. Second step, edit classes, execute. So we need to enter the class variant SAC1, then the class type 032, release strategy, create, enter the description for our class, PR class SA02, then select character. Here we need to enter the variant T6 and T7 which we created. The first one is purchase requisition document type, second one is plant. Then save the data. The class type 032, class SAC1 was created. Then select setup procedure with the classification, execute. Double click on release group. So here we need to select the line item and delete before creating the new line item, save the data. So now we can select new entry, enter the 2-digit variant for release group. I am going to enter T1. Then the class SAC1 which we created. Then the description release strategy for purchase requisition. For reference I am entering the company code SA02, save the data. then go to back, double click on release code, select the line item and delete all the line items, save the data. So now select new entries, enter our release group T1, then the release code L1, description manager, then enter the T1 release group, then enter the L2 release code. Second level I am going to enter senior manager. Third step T1 release group, then enter the L3 release code general manager, enter and save the data, then go to back. Step number 3, release indicator. So no need to create new things, go to back, double click on release strategies. So here we need to select all the line item and delete, save the data, continue. Now I am going to select new entry, enter the release group which we created T1, then enter the T2 for our release strategy, new variant 2 digit, then release strategy for purchase requisition, the description for the release strategy for purchase requisition, then enter the release code L1 and the L2 and the L3, then enter, select release prerequisites, select the lower diagonal L1, L2, L3, continue and select the release statuses. No need to change anything, just continue. Then select classification. So here we need to select our document type SAPR, then continue. Select our plant SP01, then continue. So we need to save the data. So in this screen we cannot able to save. So go to next screen or previous screen. I am going to next screen, then save the data. Now the configuration is completed. Now we can go to create the purchase requisitions. Go to parallel screen. To create the purchase requisition, /n ME51N, enter. So select our document type, purchase requisition document type SA02, then select the material, enter the plant SP01, select any one material, then enter the quantity 100 numbers, then delivery date, enter the plant SP01, enter the storage location SPS1, enter. So now the release strategy configuration is completed. Once again still we are getting the same error, the release strategy not reflected in our purchase requisition document. So finally we can check our document type /n SPRO, enter, SAP reference IMG, materials management, then go to purchasing, select purchase requisition, then define document type for purchase requisition, execute. So our document type SAPR, go to right side, so here we need to remove the overall release of requisitions, then save the data. So now we can go to enter the all the details /n ME51N, enter, select the document type, then select our material, enter our plant SP01, then select the material, go to quantity, purchase requisition quantity 100, then enter the delivery date, plant SP01 and the storage location SPS1, enter. So now the release strategy applied in our purchase requisition. So this is our release strategy L1, L2, L3 and release script T1, release strategy T2. Now we can save the document. Go to release purchase requisitions /n MG54, enter the purchase requisition document number, then release code L1, enter, select the line item, release plus save, then enter the second level L2, enter, select the line item, release plus save, then enter the L3, enter, select the line item, release plus save. Now the 3 level approval completed. Go to /n MG52N to verify the purchase requisition release strategy. So here we need to select our document number. Go to select variant, my purchase requisitions. So then here we need to select our document number. So under the release strategy, now for the release strategy L1 manager, L2 senior manager, L3 general manager, release is effected. So now the document has been completed, purchase requisition document created and approval also completed. We can create purchase order by using this purchase requisition document. So we verified release strategy configuration in purchase requisition. So after that we are verifying the document type SAPR. In the document type, the overall release request removed, then the error will be solved. Thank you. Shipping condition 01, loading group 0001, plant FIP1, storage location FIS1 not defined. We need to solve this error. Select procedure, new entries, select shipping condition 01, then select loading group 0001, select our plant FIP1, then select our shipping point FISP, enter, save the data, continue, go to back. So now the error has been solved. We can save the sales order. No business area can be determined for item 0010. Go to help. So we need to solve this error. To solve this error, go to /n SPRO, enter SAP reference IMG, enterprise structure, then assignment, sales and distribution, then business area account assignment, assign business area to plant and division, execute, select new entries, enter our plant FIP1, then select division, F7, then select business area, Bangalore, enter and save the data, continue. Now the data was saved. Define rules by sales area, execute, select position, enter our sales organization FISA, enter. So here we need to select the rule. Rule number 1, business area determination for plant and division, then save the data, go to back, then go to OBY6 /n OBY6, enter, select position, enter company code FI00, double click, So here we need to remove business area financial statement, then save the data, then go to parallel screen, enter. So now the business area error solved. So while creating the billing document in order to cash process, we are getting the error. No billing documents were generated. Please see the log. Go to header edit, select the log. So the document number 80004712 POD report back not yet carried out or incomplete. To solve this error, go to /NVL POD, enter the delivery document number 80004712, enter. Here we need to select confirm proof of delivery. POD is nothing but proof of delivery. So confirm, then save the data. Now the outbound delivery has been saved. So we can go to create billing document /NVF01, enter, save. So just we are getting the warning message, enter. So now the document, delivery document 90004782 has been saved. Go to /NVF02, enter, release the billing document to accounting, enter the billing document, select the flag release to accounting. So the document has already been posted to accounting. So go to accounting. So document already posted. So order cannot be delivered. See long text. Go to header edit, select log. So no delivery relevant items in order 56 set by order type war. So now we need to go to parallel screen to verify the stock /NMMBE, enter, select our material number, execute. So here stock not available in goods receipt. So we need to perform once again goods receipt /NMIGO, enter, select goods receipt and others, select movement type 561, receipt for initial entry of stock balance into unrestricted use. So select 561 movement type, then enter. Without purchase order, we are going to make the goods receipt by using the 561 initial stock entry. Select material number, enter the plant FIP1 4107 material number, select quantity 500 number, enter the where. We need to select our plant and storage location FIP1, storage location FIS1, then enter. Scroll down, select item OK, then post the document. So after enter all the details, post the document. Now the material document has been posted. Go to /NMMBE, execute. So we received 500 number in unrestricted use stock. Unrestricted use means ready for use. Go to T code /NVOV7, So here we need to select position, enter TAN item category, then double click. So here verify all the line items, then go to /n VA02, verify our schedule line item category, enter the sales order number, then under the procurement select the line item, select schedule lines. So our schedule line category AK, go to the T code /n VOV6. So here we need to select our schedule line category AK. So here the movement type and the item relevant for delivery not selected. Select the item relevant for delivery, then select our movement type 601. Go to issue for delivery, save the data. Now we can go to /n VL01, enter. So enter shipping point, delivery date, and then sales order number 5687, enter, save the data. Now the outbound delivery has been saved. While creating the delivery document, so we are getting the error, order cannot be delivered, see long text. Go to help. So the message number VL461, close this error, go to edit, see the log, the order is incomplete, maintain the order. So this is actual error. So we need to verify the sales order, /n VA02, enter the sales order number 5707, then enter. So now we need to check item level. Yes, net price 0, there is no price available in the sales order. That is the reason we are getting the error. So we need to check the pricing procedure. Go to /n SPRO, enter SAP reference IMG, sales and distribution, basic functions, pricing control, define and assign pricing procedure, execute, set pricing procedure determination, double click, select position, enter our sales organization SAS4, then continue. So our pricing procedure available in the SAP system. So now we need to go the next step. Go to back. So first double click on set pricing procedure, select the pricing procedure, SAP standard pricing procedure we are using, RVWA01, double click, continue, select the row, double click on procedures control data. So here the condition type PR00 available. So here we need to remove the manual only option. So we have two options, manual only and required. Once you select manual only, we need to enter the sales order price manually. So I'm going to remove the condition, then save the data. Go to back. So the next step, set customer pricing procedure. So here we can use standard variant 01, then go to back, set document pricing procedure. So we can use the standard variant A, then go to back, assign document pricing procedure to order types, select position, enter the order type OR standard order. So against our standard order, document pricing procedure A standard assigned, then go to back. So the standard billing document F1 invoice assigned with our document pricing procedure A, then go to back. So now set pricing procedure determination. Select position, enter our sales organization. So our sales organization SASO, distribution channel S9, division S9, and the document pricing procedure A and the customer pricing procedure 01. Our pricing procedure variant RV AA01. Then the condition type PR00 created. Then go to back. Close this option. The next step, we need to verify the condition type /n/v/06, enter. So here we need to select the condition type PR00, select position, enter the condition type PR00, continue, double click on the condition type. So here we need to verify the access sequence PR00, condition class prices, calculation type quantity, condition category basic price. Then manual entries, no limitations, select item category, amount, percentage, quantity relation, values. Now the pricing procedure RVAA01. So everything is correct, no need to change anything, just go to back. So the next step, we need to verify the access sequence /n/v/07, enter. Table is cross client, continue. Select position, enter the access sequence PR00, then continue. Select the row, double click on accesses. So we need the customer and material. Select the row, double click on field, sales organization, distribution channel, shoulder to party, pricing reference material. Go to back. So the next step, we need to maintain the condition record /n/vk11, enter. So here we need to select the condition type PR00, then select key combination customer/material. So go to condition, display. So ensure our sales organization, distribution channel, customer and the material, then execute. So no condition record exists for this selection. So the condition record not created, we need to create the condition record. Go to condition, select create, select our material, enter. Select the material motor assembly, then enter the amount 1000 INR per product, unit of measure EA, then enter. Change the validity from date February 1, then save the data. Now the condition record saved. So now we can go to create the new sales order /n/VA01, enter. Enter the standard order type OR, sales organization SASO, distribution channel and division S9, enter. So here we need to select our customer, then customer reference test, then select the customer reference date, then select the delivery date, payment terms 0001, Incoterm CFR, Incoterm locations Bangalore, then select the material, select order quantity 5 numbers, then go to right side, select our plant SP01, then enter, continue, save the data. Now the standard order 5708 has been saved. Go to /n/VA02, enter the sales order number 5708, enter. So now see here, the condition type PR00, amount 1000 INR per product, then the net value 5000 INR. So our order quantity 5 numbers, so each product 1000 rupees, the total value 5000 INR. So now the condition type PR00, pricing procedure applied in our sales order. Now we can go to create delivery document /NVL01, enter. So here we need to select our shipping point S1SP. Selection date is nothing but sales order delivery date. So we mentioned in sales order April 2, so that same date I am mentioning in selection date. Then enter the order number 5708, enter, save. Now the outbound delivery 80004709 has been saved. So now the delivery document created, error solved. Thank you.